Good morning, good morning. I am late, so I do apologize. Good morning. It is now December 16th, 8:40, so 10 minutes after market open. So we may not be too late. We may still be able to catch a few trades here. I need to do some quick charting though. Some super quick charting. And so you got this trend line here. For some reason, that's liquidity line. Okay. With pre-market lows here. All right, I'm quickly scalping puts. Quickly scalping puts if it lets me. I may be too late. Let's see. Okay, this is kind of what I'm looking at here. Looking for the short into here, quick scalp. And here's why I feel like we need to come and take down pre-market lows. Just here, hopefully we don't get manipulated. We'll cut it down. Let us see what happens. The only thing I don't like, okay, pre-market highs here. Pre-market lows. Let me clean up my chart a little bit. Pretty positive we have to come in and take out these pre-market lows. So I might actually add a few cons here. Let's just wait to see what happens. I really need this 5 minute to come in and take this out. Just like that. That's what we want. Come on, baby, burn. So this is our TP here. As you see this rapidly approaching, that's what we want to see. Dun, 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 dun. 675 is that point that we've wanted for a minute. Just gotta make sure there's nothing else that I'm seeing as far as a trend line or resistance point. Okay, that's actually kind of fucked. That's actually super fucked. I'm hoping that's just to wake people out. Hoping. This does not look good. We need this to really start turning around, otherwise we are boned. Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, that's fucked. Well, that was terrible. Terrible. Just lost 2,000. I mean, understandably so. There is a lot of upside. Like, okay, if we're looking here. So far, down $1,000 today. No blame. No blame. That's alright. That's how this game goes. You just gotta be ready for it. Roll with the punches. But that happened so quick, that wick. Look at that. Doo-doo-doo. Fuck out of here. Fuck out of here. Bro. Once you look at this shit. I'm hesitant to hop back in a trade because this looks like a bull flag in a 5 minute. See what I mean? Gotta be unemotional on this shit. Excuse my language. You really do though. Okay, we need to do some evaluating real quick. Because, like I said, we're still in this wedge here, which could give us a trade opportunity, but we just need to make sure. We just need to make sure, but yeah. Don't like being down $1,000 right now. It's no buen. No buen. Let's see what happens here. You see this pattern of a descending wedge, which means eventually we will get a breakout retest and possibly come back and test some of these higher levels here. Possibly all the way back at the all-time highs. Or the other possibility, we just break all the way down and actually come hit this 674 level I have, which is a previous high. So we just gotta wait. I should have waited earlier, but you know that was a moment to scalp, and I didn't. Minus 1,068 so far. I need to get a trade tracker platform, but I haven't yet. I just do it manually just so I can feel it a little bit more and yet still remain unemotional in this. You know, that's a big loss. That is a big loss. I'm not gonna lie to you. Can't be doing that. Can't be doing that, man. Now, on the short term, yes, as I said before, I do think we have some upside that we have to do. Can y'all hear me? Yeah, okay. Sorry, my mic's been weird recently. Let me turn this bad boy up a little bit. Can y'all hear me? Hello. Hold on, let me pause the stream real quick. Hold on. Okay. We're having technical difficulties. If you guys can't hear me, I do apologize. I have to fix my mic. But yeah, man. We'll see what happens, man. I think we might want to come and take out pre-market highs. since we're already tracking that way, and then we can see some more downside. But yeah, man. My bad. My bad. My bad. My bad. We may be back. We may be back. It smacked in the morning. It sure did, brother. It sure did. Sure did, bruh. Yo, my bad. It's probably picking up a lot of relay. Like a lot of relay, which I do apologize. Alright. This could be the start of the downfall to come and get pre-market highs. Even though we didn't capture pre-market highs though. But I am slowly allocated in currently. Excuse me. Oh my god. What? What? What is happening? Go ahead and recapture some of these gains. Dude. It literally bounces so quick you can't even catch the move. Your execution's gotta be on point. Okay, so we made 100 back there. This could be the bull flag. This, as you see, was into I really want to see it come and take out pre-market highs, which is at this 682.14 level. You can see our two. I always love to mark out pre-market highs and pre-market lows because those are like two areas of liquidity need to be taken out. But I also, on higher time frames, look for patterns, which I do have 674 as a prominent level So what I would like to see on the 1 minute is for it to turn up into 681 into this area here. Doesn't have to at all, but that's what I would like to see. I'll probably re-enter puts at that moment, just because it just looks like that's what it wants to do, you know. You know. We'll see if we turn the day positive. That would be sick, because I'm down 1,000 right now, which is crazy. Because like I remember when I first started, and I remember like being down 100 or making 100 and thinking like, oh, I'm ready to be nice. Excuse me, getting a little bit of a cold there. But yeah, let's see what happens. Like I said, I truly want to see it come and capture pre-market highs before I make any moves. My favorite term right now is patience pays. So if we do get it into that area and then we see some type of, did you enter late, made bread and got back in? Did you enter late or made bread, got back in? What are we talking about? Sorry, I'm texting my boys. See, okay, so this is what I wanted to see. So yeah, biases. I think there is. I do think we have a chance to still come to the downside, especially seeing this wedge larger time frame. Um, Larger time frame. We have that descending wedge here, which means we could get, the moment we're getting ready to break, we could see the downfall. But I want to see us come and at least capture this level here. We still have some gaps that need to be filled down here. But this is a key level. Ooh, I missed it. So there is this small key level here. Make this one orange. Dude, you're moving so fast. This thing's moving, bro. Out of that descending wedge, yeah, this is what I would want to see. Bada bing. You feel me? You feel me? Which is kind of looking like that's what's happening right now. Hey, yo. Is this it? Is this the move? Damn. That shit's happening quick as. Quick as. Look at this, bro. Honestly, if we break this level here, the 679, we could be in for some downfall. I'm kind of with it right now. I might re-enter here. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Patience. Let's get some candle closing here. You see, we're holding pretty strong at 679. That's why we wait. That's why we wait. We have some runners. In case it does want to get a little fugazi. And that does start breaking down. Because, like, it's still within this trend here. So, it could be an all-day movement that we have to just wait for. I would not be surprised. But for me, for that confluence, I want to see this 679 broken. Heavy. I'll take it at 675. 4, 3, 2. All right, what we about to do? What we about to do? I think we're breaking. Here we go. I'm in, boys. I'm in, boys. Normally, we should always wait for this candle closing here. Hopefully, I don't get cooked. It looks like it may try to cook me. Oh my god. That was a rookie move by me. Wait for candle closing. Oh my god, now my thinkorswim is tweaking, dude. Bro, don't do this, not right now. Oh my days, bro. Dude, let me. Uh, Let's see what happens. We need this to break here. We need this to break, like, big time. Like, huge break. Yes. Yes. And we need it to continue to fall. Yes. Sorry, I'm looking down because I traded off my phone. This is what we want, guys. This is what we want. They manipulated us. They got us in the first half. That shit's so funny, dude. But this is what we want, guys. It's exactly what we want to see. Exactly what we want to see. I hate that they manipulated me in the beginning, guys. We could have been up insane. Insane. It's right there. That's how it goes. I do think this is the start of us coming all the way down into our level here. As we are starting to see right now. Okay, back up about 560. Told you guys, patience gonna pay. Patience will pay. Patience will definitely pay. As we look into our larger time frame here, on the 15-minute. Hopefully it doesn't take that long for this trade to complete. But crazy things have happened. Okay, let's get this 5-minute candle. Just finishing the move. That would be sick. Then I can call it a day and get off. Here we go, guys. Here we go. We're getting our lick back. I can't believe we lost 1,000 this morning. That's fucked. It's alright. What's going on at this levels? What's going on here, Brief? What's going on here, bruv? Okay, I don't know why it's slowing down, so I might take a little bit of risk off here. Go ahead and secure some of these gains. Just in case. Just in case, bro. Just in case. Yes. Oh! And now we just wait. Okay. Okay. That was a crazy ass day. What is going? I took some risk off just because I was supersized in there. Ah, that's crazy ass day, dude. Crazy ass day. And I'm out. right. That's it, guys. I'm walking away. Trades played out for me. We'll come into this level, as I said before. Had I held everything, we would have been good. But we're up. I told you we'll get our lick back, guys. It's a matter of just marking your key levels, knowing what's going on. That was an insane day. An insane day, dude. But I'm out. I took my gains there. Don't want to risk it anymore. Had I held, we probably would have been up pretty nice. But you never know with the movement. Learning lesson, though. Learning lesson. This is the point of these. It's learning curves. Definitely got emotional and continued to hold. But you know, it is what it is. See, this is the part where I get confused. Like, so I'll just be fucking with my head. Like, what, bro? Bro. Bro, what? Like, I don't even know how to mark this shit. That's how we do it, guys. We're gonna call it there. That's gonna be today's trading day. Insane day. As far as shares, I'm still holding shorts. SH. Yeah, it says we're up about 220, 222. So we'll say 222. I'll figure out exactly how much I made on the back end here in a sec. But yeah, from being down about my first trade. Yeah, my first trade I was down like 1100, and then that was the manipulation, and I told you it might want to come back, and that's exactly what it did. So yeah, guys. Could I have played? You can see we bounced right near pre-market there. Right near it. We didn't even hit it. It's just right near it. That's why I took it. You never know. Yeah. I'd rather not risk it right now. I'd rather just keep stacking gains. Being down 1,000 and then coming back to being positive is more than a blessing. So, yeah, we knew it was puts in the morning based off of this market structure here on the 5-minute, and then we had some downfall. Then we got manipulated with this candle here. If we go back to this candle here, got me. But we saw that there was some resistance here, and yeah, that started the downfall. We entered shortly, and then we slowly leveraged in, broke that 679 candle, as I was saying. That's when we actually entered with heavier contracts. We had 10 contracts of the puts, made our 1,000 back, and then those contracts that we were holding is what we made the 250 off of. So just in the day, plus $250, nothing crazy, but hey, 250 a day, 5 days a week. What is that? 50 times 5 is 250. So that's 1,250 a week. If you can do that for a month, 1,250 a month. I mean, each week for 4 weeks. bro, that's 5 bands. You don't need to work a job. That's 5 bands. So, yep, this is that journey, guys. We are slowly getting better every day. Like I said, I'm gonna be more consistent. Back at it, just making sure I stay on it. But yeah, I'm gonna call it here, guys. Thanks for joining, and yeah, I'll make sure we stay consistent. Do charting on Sundays, day trading every day. If I start to get some followers, I will start live streaming. But for now, I'm just making these videos and I'm enjoying it doing so. So once again, that's it for me, guys. This is B signing out. Peace.